This Jack Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Jeanette Saner. Say what? Retreat with the comforts of home on 66.6 mostly wooded acres that are adjacent to Tuscarora State Forest land. About 1/3 open tillable land to attractive wildlife with vegetation/crops. Unique 1986 restored old log cabin, 20.3 by 18, into a detached garage west/metal roof along with an attached lean-to for more ATV, tractor/lawn equipment storage. Valley Rural Electric Services. This 2-bedroom cabin. Newer freestanding LP gas heater for cozy heat. Open design kitchen/living room and dining area. Nice screened front porch. Private well and cesspool and drainfield. Attractive picnic grove west/private outdoor shower and wood storage area. Feed the birds/squirrels and deer. Landline telephone. Unique opportunity to own Hunting Haven. Taxes are super affordable at $936.37 a year. Qualified buyers call for your private tour today. Don't miss this gem. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeanette Saner at 717-436-8200.